So you might be in this really weird situation where for some reason your Android phone is not connecting to your Windows PC or whatever other PC you may end up having. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons. The number one thing I would recommend making out and just the number one thing I'd recommend making sure is to make sure that wire that you're going and plugging into your particular Windows PC is fully compatible. So if you're doing USB-C to USB-C or USB-C to USB-A, whatever you're doing, you want to make sure both sides are compatible and both sides are plugged into your particular PC. If you're doing a wireless method, then that's different, but double check that that's the case. Now, depending on what you're trying to do, you may also just want to make sure that you may have some sort of USB options that come up that you may need to configure. When you plug in your Android phone to your Windows PC, what you want to make sure is that if you have a little pop-up that comes up right here, it might say something like USB debugging or USB options or transfer files or whatever. If you see any of those options come up, you may just want to go and make sure that you click on that option and configure which way you want to do. If you want to transfer files or whatever, there should be an option that comes up right there. Now, if you do that and that's still not working, the next thing you may want to try doing is unplugging your wire from your PC and plugging it back in. You would not believe how often of a time that can probably end up fixing the situation for you. And although it's not a guarantee, that is just another way that you can go through to basically fix this problem. And that is kind of one of the other things I'd recommend doing here too, is just to unplug your phone from your PC, plug it back in, and you want to see if that ends up working. You may also try wanting to just restart your phone if nothing else is working. So hold down the buttons you normally would to restart your phone. You can hold down the buttons that you normally would, click the power off, power it back on, and you want to see if that ends up fixing it. If none of those things end up working, you want to make your way over to your PC and you want to see if there's any issues going on with your computer. So you may want to try just, seeing if for some reason you need an update for your computer. You can try updating your PC if you can. If that's not working, you can also try going through and seeing if there's a USB issue going on with your computer. You can also try restarting your computer as well. But those are kind of the main ways to go and fix the issue for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Over everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.